Hi, hello again, and welcome to this another session. In this session here, I'm going to show you how to create an SQL Server instance, an SQL Server database for the Anviz software and devices. Now, the Anviz software, once installed, alright, automatically wherever you install it, in this case I'm installing it in Program Files L6 Anviz standard, right? It's automatically connected to this database here, att2003.mdb. Now, we don't want an MS Access database. Personally, I've used it before. I've linked systems to SQL Server to MS Access databases, but one of the problems I find is that once the services are running to automatically download time from the clock, it locks the database. That causes a problem with SQL Server. You have to go in, you have to change the logon information for the instance and for the services, alright, before you're able to actually run both at the same time. That is, being able to pull database out the data out of the Access database and getting the time to download from the clock automatically. Now, before you even get to install, well, you would have a clock. I figure you probably have a clock by now, and this software installed. Just double click on that. Now you will need an instance installed on your system, and you will need SQL Server Management Studio. Now in this case I'm using Server 2012. Come to databases. I'll just create a new database for this. Alright, I'm gonna call it Anviz. Right, and my database is created. Now I'm going to use the Anviz database, and I'm going to execute the stored procedure, and my stored procedure is successfully executed. Let me just refresh here so that my databases are all refreshed. Now when I come in here, I see all the Anviz tables. Alright, so part 1 done. Now we need to create a DNS for this thing. Right. Now the default password is blank for Anviz software. This here is basically the Anviz software system, right? That's the thing. Now database linking. Now notice, you see, this is where the database link is. Now we don't want that. Okay, we want an SQL Server client system, right? Now we're gonna take the server name here. Taking a while. Alright, let's put slash. What's my what is my Accupe instance name? Dot slash Accupe. Right, leave it that. Use Windows NT. Integrated password. Right, select the database. We're going to use Anviz. Okay, test connection test successful. Okay, now we've successfully linked the Anviz database to our SQL Server. Now we're going to connect to our device, to our time clock. Here we have the parameters for. Now here, now this is something you would like to know. Alright, database setting. You could put your automatic time download in here. Run it at, say, 7 o'clock. Oh, here. Say at 7 a.m. You could then run it at 8 a.m. Alright, you could then run it at maybe 12. Right, lunchtime. Then you might want to run it after lunch. 13:30. Right, then everybody should be back from lunch. Right, and set up your automatic time downloading. Now I'm gonna add a device. Alright, my IP is, the device IP is 201. Okay, there's a fingerprint verification device. Alright, LAN communication, that, and okay. Alright, I want to download the data from this terminal. Looking for connect. Only if we're on the same network. One 192.168.1.4. That's my IP. 192.168.1.1. Let me ping this device and see. Now I'm going to show the device. I'm just going to check the device information, make sure I'm connecting it properly. My IP is wrong. It's 192.168. Okay. Let's need to restart the device. Just a second. Bear with me a moment, right? I should have done this before I started the demonstration, but just bear with me a second here, okay? Alright, let me just bring it back. Right, we're on. Alright, so we come back to here. Seriously? The IP address is wrong on this again. What am I doing? Let me just add this device back again. Right. Changes when I changed it, okay. Okay, now it's blue, so it's supposed to work. Alright, so I have 8 records successfully downloaded. Alright, now we're going to check in our time and attendance system here. There is a view for this. Select top 1000, and that's the time. And there we have user ID, okay, and the time, date and time that the ID was actually recorded. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. Have a good evening.